became a volunteer because I lost my sight in 2014 and I applied for the guide dog service. And when I was on the waiting list for my first guide dog, Autumn, I became a volunteer before I was matched with Autumn in 2016. Because I had applied for a guide dog, I'd just finished university. I've got a degree in IT and an admin support role come up in the Glasgow community team of guide dogs. And I was taught to use a long cane during my application for a guide dog, and it was the orientation and mobility specialist who told me that there was a volunteer role within the Glasgow community team. And I sent in my CV and did an interview, and I started volunteering January 2016. I've got many volunteer roles within guide dogs. Don't do admin support anymore, but I'm a fundraiser, a volunteer speaker, and I was also a merchandise coordinator for a while, but now I work with guide dogs. I'm actually a staff member now. Communication skills, people skills, speaker skills, I think I had some of them anyway, and loads of skills. I would absolutely do it. I mean, volunteering for charities and giving up your own time's amazing, and it's really rewarding, especially if it's a charity that's close to your heart, like Guide Dogs is to mine.